Welcome back. For today I have a iHerb haul. If you never heard about iHerb, or you heard but you never tried, this is basically a online retailer, and it has a lot of brands. You can buy from there your Real Technique brushes, which are much cheaper than in any other place. You have Pixie, you have Physicians Formula, E.L.F, and many other brands. What is good is that you have worldwide shipping. You have free shipping if you shop over $40. Also, there are many products which are marked as shipping saver. So if it happened that your product is marked as shipping saver, your shipping will be deducted. And one more important thing, that for every order you will get back 10% like a loyalty credit for your purchase, so you can use it on your next shopping. Basically, if I buy today for $20, I will get back $2, so I can use them on my next shopping with iHerb. And also I will link down on the description box my reward code. This is an affiliate link. Once you will shop with iHerb, you will also get your link. You can share with other people, so they will get a discount, and you will also get free commission from this. Now I will start with the actual haul. I bought two sets of Real Technique brushes. They are both eyeshadow brushes. First of them is the Instapop set brushes. I already have those brushes here. They are dirty because I used them on my previous video. If you see that I'm wearing the same outfit and the same makeup, this is because I was before filming another review. The new Instapop brushes that I ordered. So they look like this. And they are really nice if you want to blend your shadow on the lower lash area. Also, this bigger brush is perfect for blending the eyeshadow in your crease. You see that it has this slant, I think it's called. So it's blending really great. Yes, I'm really happy for having another Instapop brushes. Also, I bought another Real Technique brushes, Eye Shade and Blend. I do also own those brushes. They look like this. This, it's a fluffy brush. It's good for blending. And it's called Base Shadow Brush. And I think they are calling this Chubby Brush Deluxe Crease Brush. However, I will not use this brush on my crease, but I like to use it with concealer under my eye. So I really enjoy having those brushes. If we are speaking about the brushes, I have another brush set, and this is from EcoTools. It is their Stay Matte and Beautiful 5 pieces matte brush complexion for smudge-proof, long-lasting makeup. So this is a travel size brush set. This brush is good for contouring. You can use this brush for applying your powder. Full concealer brush. The full concealer brush is this one. It's well shaped for the concealer. So if you are looking at the shape, it's somehow similar with the Real Technique. Just the Real Technique has a shorter bristle, but like the thickness, it is the same. It's quite small though for the shade. If you have tiny eyes, then it's possible. And I think it's perfect for my tiny little palette, this brush. And the last but not least, so this is your detail lip brush. Finally I bought the butter bronzer from the Physicians Formula. This is really highly rated bronzer on the beauty community. Everybody and their mother are speaking about this. Oh, so I can feel, even by opening, I can feel the smell of the coconut. Beautiful packaging. You have here your bronzer. Oh, this is real light, really light. I think for me, it will be mostly like a powder. I'm not sure if I can use it as a bronzer. Dang it, maybe I should have ordered the medium shade. Now it's too late. And here you have your mirror and a attempt of the sponge. I cannot name it otherwise. So they are supposing that you will apply your bronzer with this tool. Let's say like this. I also bought another Miracle Complexion sponge from the Real Techniques. It's basically the closest dupe I could find from the Beauty Blender sponge, which I have it with me today. It's dirty. I used it before. So yeah, I really love this blender, and I think it's been some time since I lastly used it. So I will enjoy adding this to my rotation. I have another brow pencil, and this is from E.L.F. Is in the shade taupe. So let's open it up. I know that Emily Noel was raving about this particular brow pencil. She said that is the best value that you can find at $2. I think how much I paid for this. This much I paid for it. So you have your spoolie here. It's a bit chubby. And you have your... Oh, I wasn't expecting it to be like this. I thought it's more slim. Yeah, so the shade, it looks like what I need for my brows. So I will test it, and I will let you know how good it is. Anyway, for $2, even if I use it 1 or 2 times, it will be as good as it can be. I bought the InstaNatural Retinol Serum with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and CoQ10. Oh my god! I wanted to try this serum because maybe I will want from time to time to change my retinol product. So I heard good things about this brand. I wanted to taste it. This is how much? This is 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. I will try this as soon as I will finish my the ordinary retinol I'm using right now. So as soon as I will finish that serum, I will try this InstaNatural serum. The face cream moisturizing, and it's removing your hair, removing your hair face. So if you have in this area or somewhere else on your face, it says that it will remove your facial hair, and it also provides a long-lasting effect. So this is 2 fluid ounces or 57 grams, and it looks like this. Of course, I will not try it right now on my hand, but if you want, to do a video trying this product, please let me know. Yes, it's also mentioned that it's easy, fast and pain-free. So no pain while you're removing your hair, like waxing, for example, or even with a laser. Sometimes somehow it's pinching. Yeah. So yeah, I'm really excited for this cream. I bought this after spa. How it's called? It's basically the version, another version of the makeup eraser. Ooh, it's really fluffy. Yeah, so it's smaller. This is the normal makeup eraser cloth. And this is the tiny eraser. So you can see it's smaller than half. But I wanted to have some smaller version for traveling. From Your Technique also I bought this brush holder, single pocket expert organizer, miracle cling, great for lockers, travel and home. Basically what it does, I will show you. I have another one. Basically you can stick this on your mirror, on your makeup mirror, or even in a bathroom you have some surface, even on the tile, I think, and you have some extra room to store your brushes. Usually I'm using this pouch to put the brushes that I use more often. For example, if I know that I'm leaving in the morning and I have really short time to do my makeup, then I will select the brushes that I need. I put them up there, and in the morning I will have them more handy. I will not spend extra time searching for the brushes that I need. So yeah, this is on the pink version. Yeah, ta-da! I don't have anything else excepting my lash serum, which I placed on in other order, which is strange because my second order, where I was ordering this facial cream and some of the Real Technique brushes, is here like from 1 or 2 weeks, but my lash enhancing serum is still not here. So if it will arrive before I will publish this video, I will insert a clip here with that serum. I have one more item. It's not an iHerb order, however I ordered it from the States, so I said that I will show you. It's one product from Winky Lux, and is their wet cream primer. So it's in a jar like this, and you have here your pore minimizing primer. I use it today, and I use it since I bought it. It's really smoothing your pore area. If you have large pores, it will slightly diminish them. I will wrap up the video here. Thank you for watching and staying with me. Please don't forget to like and comment to this video, and let me know if you want a detailed review from any of the products that I show you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell that it will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Stay tuned till my next video. See you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.